In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on Revolut. USDT, also known as Tether, is a popular stablecoin designed to closely track the value of the US dollar. Revolut makes it straightforward to purchase, but I'll guide you through each tap so you know exactly what to expect. Before we start, make sure your Revolut app is updated, you're in a region where crypto is supported, and you have enough balance to cover the purchase plus any fees. Crypto can be volatile and fees can change, so take a moment to read on-screen notices as you go. Begin by opening the app and heading to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab brings up the Crypto dashboard, where you can browse available coins and see market information in real time. Next, tap on Trade. This opens the trading interface you'll use to place your order. In the search bar, type USDT, then select it from the results. Selecting USDT will take you to its detail page where you can see the current price, a price chart, and basic information about the asset. From here, tap Buy. The app will prepare a purchase ticket. You'll usually see your funding currency at the top and a field where you can enter the amount. If you prefer, you can switch between entering the amount in your local currency or in USDT, whichever is easier to reason about. Keep an eye on any displayed fee so you know the total cost. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Take a second to confirm that the figure matches your intention, especially if you're using decimals or switching between currency and crypto units. Some regions have minimum purchase amounts. If you're under the threshold, the app will prompt you to adjust. Then, tap Review Order. This summary screen is where you double-check everything before committing. The asset is USDT, the quantity you'll receive, the estimated price, the fee, and the total you'll pay. If anything looks off, use the back arrow to edit the amount. Finally, when you're satisfied, tap Confirm to complete your purchase. Revolut will submit the order, and in most cases, you'll get an immediate confirmation showing your new USDT balance. The transaction details will be available in your crypto holdings for your records. And that's it. You've successfully bought USDT on Revolut. Keep your app secure, monitor your holdings, and you're all set.